What's up guys, it's Nely Natural, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY hair growth mask using eggs and flax seeds. This is one of the most moisturizing hair growth masks that I've ever made. The flax seeds in this hair growth mask help to add shine, manageability, and to detangle the curls. They also add lots of slip to the deep conditioner, while the butters and oils are high in fatty acids, which add shine and manageability as well. The egg in this hair growth mask is full of nutrients, which is said to promote healthy, thick hair. It also adds a protective coating onto the hair strand, which helps prevent breakage. My curls looked amazing after this hair mask. It left my hair super shiny with no frizz. First step in this hair growth mask recipe is to prepare the flaxseed gel. I'm starting off with Food to Live organic flax seeds, and I'm adding about 1 cup of them to a pot. Next, I'm going to turn the heat up to medium temperature so that way the flax seeds can begin heating up. Then I'm going to add about 3 cups of water to the flax seeds. Some benefits of flax seeds are that they're high in fatty acids, which promote hair and scalp health. They also add shine to the curls, and they help to detangle the hair. This makes them the perfect addition to any DIY recipe. So as the flax seeds are heating up, make sure to continuously stir them so that way they don't get stuck at the bottom of the pan. As the steam begins to form, that means that the gel is beginning to form and thicken up. Stir the flax seeds again to make sure that they're not sticking at the bottom of the pan. When a foam has formed at the top, that means your flaxseed gel is ready. The water has thickened up and formed a gel, and it's beginning to foam on top. You want to transfer the flaxseed gel into a bowl using a colander, and make sure to transfer it while it's still hot so that way you have an easier time getting the gel to pass through the colander. To get the gel out faster, you can also stir the flaxseed gel in the colander. You can also lightly shake it to make sure that it comes out faster. If you don't have a colander, you can also transfer it using a stocking cap or some old clean leggings. Here's what the flaxseed gel should be looking like after you're all done transferring it. You want to let it sit to let it cool down. The next step in this recipe is to prepare the illipe butter. The illipe butter that I'm using is from Love Organics, and I love this butter because it has such a soft and smooth consistency. You want to get about 1 tablespoon out. Illipe butter improves the hair's elasticity. It's high in fatty acids, and it also moisturizes the hair strands. Place the tablespoon of illipe butter into a glass bowl. Fill up a separate glass bowl with water. We're going to melt the butters using the double boiler method to preserve its nutrients. Heat up the bowl of water only for about 2 to 3 minutes. Place the bowl of illipe butter over the hot water to start the double boiler process. Next, stir the illipe butter so it can begin to melt. Stirring it just helps it transfer all throughout the bowl so that way the heat can get to it. And once it starts melting, you just want to break it up into even smaller pieces. Stir the butters until it's all fully melted. Here's what it should look like when it's fully melted. It should be a liquidy consistency similar to an oil. Now it's time to put all the ingredients together and make the deep conditioner. Once the flaxseed gel cools down, add about 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil to the gel. Sweet almond oil helps to control frizz and add shine. Next, you want to add about 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil into the flaxseed gel. Grapeseed oil nourishes the hair follicles, and it also helps to promote growth. Stir those oils in to make sure they're evenly distributed throughout the flaxseed gel. After stirring in the grapeseed oil and the sweet almond oil, you're going to want to add it in your melted illipe butter. It may be a little hard to get out of the bowl, so I'm going to use a spoon to get the rest of the butter out. Stir in all those ingredients. Now it's time to add in 1 egg into your flaxseed gel. Carefully crack it on the side of the bowl and then begin to slowly break it open into the flaxseed gel. Make sure not to get any of the egg shell into the flaxseed gel. Break up the egg yolk and begin to stir in the egg. It may take a little while to stir in the egg because of its jelly-like consistency, but it will happen. You just have to keep on stirring until it forms this milky color. You want to keep stirring until most of the yellow yolk is blended in. As it blends in, it'll form this color. Here's what the consistency is looking like. It's really jelly-like and a bit liquidy, but it works amazingly in my curls. So you want to transfer it into a Tupperware for later use, or you can simply transfer it into an applicator bottle for easier application onto your curls. I'm using a funnel to make sure that it doesn't go everywhere. Here is the final product. Here's how I apply it to my curls. Before applying any deep conditioner, you want to make sure to always start on freshly washed hair. This just ensures that the product thoroughly penetrates your clean hair strands. Then you just want to go ahead and section your curls off so that way you can have even distribution of the deep conditioner throughout your curls. As I'm applying it, I'm going to work in 4 sections. I'm going to begin by applying it all throughout one section. I'm making sure that most of my hair strands are coated in the deep conditioner, and then I'm going to start rubbing it into my hair to make sure that the hair strands are thoroughly coated in it. As you can see, my hair is turning super shiny and I'm able to easily finger detangle my curls. I'm making sure my section is thoroughly finger detangled and I'm massaging it in from the roots to the tips. Then I'm going to twist the section to make sure that it doesn't tangle on itself again. Now I'm going to repeat the same process to the second section. I'm applying it to my hair, massaging it in from the roots to the tips, then I'm going to try finger detangling, and then I'm going to twist up the section. I'm really loving how the egg and flaxseed deep conditioner is acting in my curls. It's adding tons of shine and slip and manageability to my hair, which I'm loving. And as you can see, one section went from puffy to super moisturized. The egg and flaxseed combination really add that shine and moisture to the curls. Once you're done applying it, you want to cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic baggie for 30 minutes and then rinse. Here are my finished rinsed results. And my hair is looking super shiny. There's absolutely no frizz in sight. I love the combination of the egg and flaxseed because it did wonders in my curls. Before I applied it, my hair was looking super frizzy and not so moisturized, and as I was applying it, it added immediate shine to my curls, which I loved. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to always test patch any DIY you apply to your hair. Pause this video and make sure to read how to test patch. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you guys will be trying out this deep conditioner. I hope you guys have a great day and a great week.